The SellerPic lifestyle scene feature allows your products to naturally blend into a variety of real-life environments. Step 1. Upload your product image. Whether you upload from your device, choose from our preset gallery, or import product images from Shopify with just one click, it's all convenient and easy to use. The system will automatically detect the main outline of your product and precisely remove the background. You can also quickly adjust the outline using the intelligent selection tool. Step 2. Choose the lifestyle scene you want. You can simply enter your requirements in the dialog box. Step 3. Adjust your image size or directly use our e-commerce platform presets. The generated image blends perfectly into the scene's lighting and shadows, and the angle looks very natural. You can also upload or select your own custom image and select the product you want to replace, creating a unique branded visual. Click Generate. Let's check out the result. Our algorithm fully extracts your product's features while perfectly matching them to the chosen lifestyle scene. In just a few seconds, you'll get high-definition, natural, and highly attractive lifestyle product images